In this week's installment of the Sustainability Podcast, we dive into the latest progress in sustainable practices and energy solutions from around the globe. Our exploration reveals how businesses and collaborations are actively seeking to mitigate environmental impacts through innovative approaches. Let's examine a number of these developments in our journey towards a more sustainable future. First of all, we have Eastman's molecular recycling facility. Eastman is set to expand its recycling capabilities with a $375 million investment from the U.S. Department of Energy for a new molecular recycling facility. This project is designed to address the challenge of recycling difficult plastics, converting them into circular materials. It aims to make a significant dent in the issue of plastic waste by offering a sustainable alternative to traditional disposal methods. The investment in this technology underscores a commitment to advancing these circular economy principles. Eastman's approach could serve as a model for other companies seeking to reduce their environmental footprint through innovative recycling methods. The facility's focus on hard-to-recycle plastics highlights a targeted approach to a very pervasive environmental problem. By transforming waste into valuable materials, Eastman is creating a sustainable life cycle for plastics. This project not only benefits the environment, but also supports economic growth by tapping into the potential of recycled materials. The support from the Department of Energy indicates a recognition of the importance of sustainable waste management solutions. Eastman's initiative is a proactive step towards reducing global plastic pollution and fostering a more sustainable future worldwide. Next up, Titan America's cleaner cement production. Titan America has been selected by the U.S. Department of Energy to lead a project aimed at producing cleaner cement. This initiative is part of a broader effort to reduce the carbon footprint of the entire cement industry, which is known for its high greenhouse gas emissions. By focusing on cleaner production methods, Titan America is contributing to the reduction of carbon emissions in the construction sector. This project represents a significant move towards sustainable building materials. It also signals an industry shift towards prioritizing environmental sustainability alongside functional performance. Titan America's work could inspire similar innovations across the construction industry, leading to wider adoption of green practices. The collaboration with the Department of Energy highlights the role of public-private partnerships in achieving these sustainability goals. This initiative not only has the potential to improve the environmental impact of cement, but also set a precedent for future advancements in the cement industry. This focus on cleaner cement production aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and build more sustainably. Titan America's leadership in this area demonstrates their commitment to innovative solutions for environmental challenges. Next, let's move across the pond to the UK. The Green Power Park. The UK's Green Power Park initiative is a forward-thinking project designed to accelerate the adoption of clean energy and electrification technologies. As a hub for innovation, it aims to foster the development of electric vehicles, renewable energy sources, and smart grid technologies. The park serves as a tangible commitment by the UK to lead in the transition to a more sustainable energy system. By consolidating these efforts in electrification and clean energy, the Green Power Park can make significant contributions to reducing carbon emissions. The initiative showcases the UK's strategy to embrace and promote sustainable technologies on a very broad scale. The creation of such a center underscores the importance of collaboration between government, industry, and academia in driving environmental progress. As the Green Power Park develops, it's expected to become a key player in the global push towards sustainability. The focus on a variety of clean energy solutions demonstrates a comprehensive approach to tackling climate change. The park itself represents an opportunity to test, improve, and scale up technologies that could shape the future of energy production and usage worldwide. So through this initiative, the UK reinforces its position as a leader in the pursuit of a greener planet. Next up, back across the pond to the US, Shell and Vertagy's renewable hydrogen projects. Shell and Vertagy are collaborating on a groundbreaking project to scale up renewable hydrogen production using water electrolysis. This partnership reflects a significant commitment to developing sustainable energy solutions that can reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The project aims to harness hydrogen as a clean, versatile energy source for various applications, including transportation and industry. By focusing on water electrolysis, the collaboration seeks to advance a method of hydrogen production that is both environmentally friendly and scalable. This initiative is part of a broader effort to position hydrogen as a key component of the global energy transition. The collaboration between this global energy giant and a technology startup also highlights the importance of cross-sector partnerships in driving innovation. Shell and Vertagy's work could significantly impact the availability and use of renewable hydrogen, making it a much more viable option for both businesses and consumers. The project underscores the role of hydrogen in achieving net zero emissions goals and combating climate change. And as renewable hydrogen production increases, it has the potential to transform energy systems and support a sustainable future. This collaborative effort marks a step forward in the quest for cleaner energy alternatives and underscores the critical role of innovation in environmental sustainability. Next up, Schneider Electric had a number of fascinating news items this week. Schneider Electric this week introduced the Resi9 Energy Center, aiming to revolutionize energy management in homes with a focus on efficiency and sustainability. Additionally, the company is advancing electric vehicle charging solutions, facilitating the transition towards more sustainable transportation options. Schneider Electric's initiatives are part of a broader strategy to enhance energy sustainability and management access across a variety of sectors. The Resi9 Energy Center represents a leap in smart home energy solutions, allowing for better consumption monitoring and management. By improving the EV charging infrastructure, Schneider Electric is removing barriers to the adoption of EVs, which, as we all know, is a critical component of reducing transportation emissions. These efforts reflect Schneider Electric's commitment to leading in both energy efficiency and sustainability. Similarly, the launch of their Materialize program, targeting Scope 3 decarbonization, showcases the company's holistic approach to environmental impact reduction. Schneider Electric's innovations serve as examples of how technology can be leveraged to support a more sustainable energy future. The company's focus on practical solutions for homes and transportation underscores the importance of addressing energy use across different aspects of daily life. Through its pioneering efforts, Schneider Electric is contributing to the global pursuit of sustainability and energy efficiency. Next up are a number of strategic moves in the industry. First of all, Curtis Wright acquired Western Services Corporation. This is to enhance the sustainability of power generation and industrial services, and it signals a strategic focus on environmental considerations. Also, AVEVA and Databricks are collaborating to leverage AI for improving operational efficiency and sustainability, demonstrating the potential of technology to address environmental challenges. GE Vernova, following its spin-off, is concentrating on developing sustainable energy solutions, emphasizing the company's commitment to the energy transition. These strategic actions reflect an increasing integration of sustainability into business operations and development strategies. By focusing on environmental goals, all of these companies are not only contributing to global sustainability efforts, but also positioning themselves as leaders in their respective fields. Their initiatives highlight the role of corporate strategy in driving environmental progress and innovation. The commitment of Curtis Wright, AVEVA, and GE Vernova to sustainability showcases the innovation of aligning business practices with ecological objectives. These company strategies also exemplify how incorporating environmental considerations can lead to new opportunities and advancements. Their efforts serve as reminders of the power of strategic thinking and innovation in achieving sustainability goals. Through their actions, they are playing a key role in the transition towards a more sustainable and environmentally conscious global economy for all of us. This episode's stories reflect the varied approaches companies are taking to address sustainability challenges. From recycling innovations and cleaner production methods to advances in energy management, these initiatives collectively contribute to the broader goals of sustainability and environmental stewardship. As we end this episode, we invite you to delve deeper into these stories and initiatives that we've discussed today. For those eager to explore further, please visit us at arcweb.com, where we offer a wealth of information and insights into the latest in sustainability and energy solutions. By registering for our ArcWire weekly newsletter, you receive updates directly to your inbox, ensuring you stay informed on the newest developments and innovations shaping our sustainable future. Additionally, our forum conferences held around the world present a unique opportunity to connect with like-minded professionals, share ideas, and discover new strategies for addressing environmental challenges. Ultimately, we encourage you to consider working with us. Together, we can forge a path forward towards a more sustainable, environmental responsible world. Join us in the mission, explore ArcWeb, and take the first step towards a new, clean future.